In a world beaming with possibilities and unlimited potentials, endeavor. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Rachel Egoteria, your business coach. I'm so happy to be here. Welcome, new subscribers and also returning subscribers. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel. I would like it if you like this video at the end, share to as much people as possible, and subscribe if you have not done that. So today we're going to talk about unleash your entrepreneurial spirit by embarking on a remarkable business journey. So welcome. To start a business gives you an opportunity for you to transform your innovative ideas into reality, create a positive impact, and forge your path to success. So, for you to do that, you have to build it from scratch. And with this, you need a lot of things. The first one is dedication, the next one is resilience, and the last one is a strategic mindset. And most importantly, it will also reward you in ways you never imagined. So let's embark on this adventure together and inspire the appealing world of entrepreneurship. So to start with, the first thing is pioneering your passion. I'd like to ask you, what drives you? What fuels your inner fire? Whether it's an unwavering love for technology, a desire to make a difference in people's lives, or a creative spark yearning to be unleashed. So, identifying your passion is the first step to starting a business. This deep rooted enthusiasm will provide you with the motivation to overcome any obstacle that comes your way and push the boundaries of what's possible. So, the second thing we'll look at is unveiling the potential. As an entrepreneur, your duty to identify opportunities is very essential. So you have to carefully analyze the market, assess its needs, that's the needs of the people and the demands of that particular thing, and also pinpoint the gaps waiting to be filled. So these untapped possibilities are the foundation upon which your business will thrive. Embrace innovation, think outside the box, and uncover the hidden potential in order to create a unique value proposition that sets you apart from your competitors. The next thing we'll look at is crafting a solid plan. Now, every successful venture or every successful business requires a well thought out plan. Yes, you have to develop a comprehensive business strategy that will help you and that encompasses your goals, your target audience, your marketing tactics, your financial projections, and also operational framework. So your plan will serve as a roadmap which will guide you through the myriad of decisions which you have to make and the actions necessary for you to take to transform your vision into reality. So you have to put this in mind. Adaptability and flexibility are actually key as you navigate dynamic landscape of entrepreneurship. The fourth one we'll look at is assembling the dream team. Building a business is rarely a solitary journey. You have to surround yourself with a dedicated team of individuals who share their vision and complement your skills. Then collaborate with passionate professionals who bring diverse perspective into their business and expertise and a shared commitment to excellence. So when you are with these professionals, it will be easier for you to conquer challenges, also for you to celebrate victories, and also to create a dynamic synergy that propels your business forward. Then the fifth one is embracing the risk. Entrepreneurship inherently involves risk taking. Yes, you need to embrace uncertainty, but within it lies the potential for tremendous growth for success. You don't just take any risk, but you have to take calculated risk, learn from your failures, and you have to adapt your approach as you gather invaluable experience. Then remember, the greatest achievement often arise from stepping outside your comfort zone, yes, and daring to challenge the status quo. The next one is cultivating a strong brand. You have to notice that a compelling brand is the heart and soul of any successful business. So you have to craft a powerful brand identity that resonates with your target audience, communicates your values, and establishes any emotional connection. Foster authenticity, consistency, and exceptional customer experiences in order to build trust and loyalty. So your brand should be a beacon of excellence, yes, ensuring that your business stands out amidst a sea of competitors. Then the next one is never ending innovation. So you have to be innovative. Innovation is the lifeblood of any striving business. So continuously strive or continuously seek new avenues for growth and stay abreast of industrial trends and adapt your product or services to meet evolving customer needs. So you need to foster a culture of creativity and open-mindedness within your organization, empowering your team to contribute fresh ideas and challenge the status quo. Embrace change as an opportunity, yes, for improvement and keep pushing on the boundaries of what's possible. So I'll stop here for today. But in conclusion, starting a business is an exhilarating journey that actually demands passion, yes, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. It offers you the chance to turn your dreams into reality, yes, and leaves an indelible mark on the world. So put this to mind, success may not come overnight. It's something you have to start, a gradual process, but with unwavering commitment, strategic planning, and an unyielding belief in your vision, you have the power to start and succeed in your business. That comes the end of the video for today. I hope you have learned something. Like I said earlier, like this video right now and share to as much people as possible, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not. Also tell your friends to subscribe so that you're going to get notified when new videos start. So when you subscribe, you can turn on the notification icon. See you in upcoming videos. Bye.